Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Gedit software. So first double click on the Firefox web browser and type here Gedit free download and select this and select this link. Right, so from this page select this option. Right, wait for a while. Yes, this is the setup. So save file. Still it's saved into your computer. Right, it's done. So click on this option and select this. Right, click on this run. Yes. Next. Yes. From here you have to select this option. Next. So I'm not going to change any path from here. So select next. Same name. Next. I don't need this. I'll close it. Right. Yeah. For all users you can select it. Next and install from here. So now it's installing. Yes, done. So now you can check whether the software is installed to your computer properly. So go to Windows. Right, so from here from the menu, yes, it's there, Gedit. So you can open and see whether it's working properly. Yes, this is Gedit. So now onwards you can work on Gedit.